All right, now I'm going to show you how to put together the perfect charcuterie board, which I have to say, for me, a lot of times is dinner. Skip the meal and just give me the charcuterie board. But it can get quite expensive and you still want to have some variety, so I have some budget tips for you. So the first thing is I found this sampler pack of different salamis so that you don't have to buy 3 big packs. It's just got a nice little row of each kind, of 3 different kinds, and I'm just going to fold those a little bit. You can just lay them out flat. I think it's kind of pretty to give them a little fold. All right, so the next thing I found, which I think is really fun, is these little snacking cheeses. So they're little individual packs. You don't have to buy a whole lot, but I found 3 different kinds. I found the fresh mozzarella and Parmesan and Fontina. So I'm gonna put those on our board. And the nice thing about these 2 is you can snack on them take them on a hike, snack on them all week long. If you want, you can even cut the fresh mozzarella into little pieces, little triangles, make it kind of fun. Little fresh mozzarella balls. And then I had some prosciutto left over from one of the other gratitude dinners, and I know it can be a little bit pricey, but we're not using a lot of it in anything, so I'm using it for the dinner, and I'm also putting it on our charcuterie board. Okay, if you want to start with larger pieces of cheese, I love to add a smoked cheese. I think it just adds a nice little bit of flavor. It's also great if you're making a grilled cheese sandwich, put it in your eggs in the morning. You can slice it all up. I like to leave a little bit whole. I think it looks a little prettier. But also for budget-friendly tips, just shop the sales. Some of these are twice as much as others, so look for the sales at the grocery store. To finish it off, I've got some mixed olives. And once again, shop the sales. I love this little mixture though. You get like 5 kinds of olives in one jar. And then I always love to have crunchy nuts. Just adds a nice little different flavor. And then you can add crackers if you want. Find a nice, good quality cracker. Or another classic thing on a charcuterie board is jam, which I used for another gratitude dinner. So we're reusing things over and over, and I think that pairs really nicely with some nice baguette slices. And make sure you get a really good quality baguette. That makes a difference. All right, so there we have it. Look at this beautiful board. Lots of variety. You didn't spend too much money to buy all this stuff, and you're ready to eat. Don't forget to shop your local farmer's market wherever you're staying. They've always got olives and cheese, sometimes honey, which would also be nice on a charcuterie board. And yeah, olives, nuts, and cheese are all usually readily available at a local farmer's market.